So we've already got black gesso, and then I'm applying liquid clear. Done with that. So yeah, I've got some Indian yellow here. So we've got a nice band of yellow. I'm going to go into this phado green down here, and I'm going to put a stripe across here. Let's go let's go up at the top. I don't know why, I just fancy doing it. Let's go into some green here. I'm going to come to about sort of halfway between the bottom there, so about here. I've got some phthalo blue, and we're going to put this up the top here. And then we're going to go down here with the phthalo blue. Right, like I said, about sort of halfway there. Now I'm just going to get a little dollop of green and just go right in the middle here and just sort of blend them out together. Yeah, I've got a fan brush here, just going into some white. We're going to do it and just see what happens. We're going to go here and just blend this colour out. There we go, look at that. Beautiful colours. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just some northern lights dancing around up there. There's so many northern light paintings on my website for sale. Free UK postage. If you buy one tonight, I'll ship tomorrow. I'll ship worldwide as well, but it's free UK postage. Here, really nice sort of colours, so let's take advantage of them. There we go, look at that, just brighten that up. This one's going to be a smaller one. Goes right away, it's picking up some of that yellow because it's touching the bottom there. Some nice little bright stuff over there. Right, I'm going to lift these up now, look at this. That's it, that's nice. Let's maybe do some bigger ones that lived here. Just touch, I'm literally just touching. I'm going to fluff these out a little bit now, just make these into sort of clouds. Lift up a little bit, play around with them. Everyone say hello to Bob and Brenda. They have their own merch on the website. Yeah, these colours, mixing all together, just making dark colour. I can even take it up into that colour up there. Just use everything on here. Just putting that flat. I just want the smallest amount of paint on the knife. Some little mountains. Just over here. Not a lot of paint on there. These are going to be distant. Touch of white, and I'm just going to make these very distant, so I just literally want the touch of white here, and just put these little mountains in here. Very lightly, just these are distant things, so just I'm putting the smallest amount of white there. Just the smallest amount of, just move that paint about. Just gives us a little bit of mist down the bottom there. And I think I want a mountain that comes down here. I'm just planning this out. Right, down here, loads of little trees. Just a little tree line that we can see that's far away. That's why I put that light there, you see, so you can sort of see what's going on with this sort of tree, little tree line that's coming across here. Comes down there. See, let's come down here. Can you see how I'm doing this? Maybe just a bit more of that blue. Want them two sort of together. I just want to pull this down, this one. I want it mixing with them colours underneath, the yellow and the bright sort of. Something like that. So you can just see the top. Let's go something like that. Little splashes and stuff going on here again. Can blend some of this out. Just go with it. We can bring some of that colour up the waterfall. Put some little dark areas in here and there. Mixing with that blue that I put on, obviously. I want to make some darker crevices. I'm just going to use white now, okay, and then make out the land. Let's go. Here. Look at that, mixing with that beautiful green on there. I don't know if to have this one a little bit higher actually, sort of coming down, sort of, yeah, just in front, just like that. Look how it changes the picture drastically. Just by the different angles, you can create all these. That's going into the blue now as well. Corners there. I'm going to pull down here and just blend them out. A bit of water. With just a little bit of paint coming down here. Just blend this out. And then we're going to make some water. There we go. Some nice water reflection. Okay. Right, like I said, we're going to have some trees here, so I'm going to bring one down. Where do we want one first? Let's concentrate on a big one that sort of comes down here. Just about there. Corner of the brush and just tap this tree in. And we're going to put some highlights on there in a minute, obviously. Now, quite thick down the bottom because it's touching all that paint. Quite thick paint. Go back and make your little patterns. Look at that. There we go. I'm going to bring this tree forward. Is that you can just grab a little bit of that and just pull that into the snow. It's almost like a bit of a shadow. Go into it a little bit. Just a few little sticks there. This one's going to need one here. Just here and there. There we go. And some magic white, some blue. I'm gonna just sort of blend these out a little bit as well. Blend that out. Go up and then blend out. A little patch of something going down there. There we go, just some little thing growing there. Just do a few little things, little grasses that live out there. And here's the signature.